Yo, what up, guys? We're gonna be jumping into some AI artwork today. There's a real cool beta out right now. It's called Dream Studio, and I've been playing around with it. Let's jump into some artwork. So basically, the way this works is there's a key prompt, and whatever you type into the key prompt, the AI creates for you. So I'm kind of going for like an anime art style, maybe like Neo Tokyo stuff. So let's try anime Neo Tokyo. It's actually really cool. You can type in stuff like 4K, 8K, and get descriptive with it. It's pretty cool. Let's try to put some places. What else could we do? Maybe some color. I think that'll be cool. We don't want to confuse it too much. Let's see what comes out. It's cool. I forget that when you type in a place, it kind of comes out like a landscape photo, which is cool. It actually does that really well. But I want an anime style, so. Oh yeah, I still have Tokyo put there. Should probably take that out. Oop, I put neon twice. Oh well, that's cool though. I want neon, so. There we go. Now we're getting closer. I just want to generate some characters here. Because you can actually make like profile picture stuff like this, right? It's actually pretty cool. That one's chill. Like, it's actually capturing what I'm putting in there pretty well. Sometimes it does face as well, sometimes it doesn't. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. So this is what I mean, guys. Like, it generates some pretty cool artwork for you. Um, any art style you can think of, it can paint that for you guys, and I find it just entertaining. I sit here for hours and hours just generating artwork. Uh, I see that there's a lot of people out there doing the same as well, and I kind of just wanted to jump in and show you guys, how it's done. And really, you can test it out for yourselves, guys. I will leave the link down below in the description in case you want to check it out. Wow, this one's actually really cool. I think this is the best one yet, so I'll save it. And yeah, that's kind of just what I do. I sit here and we create art with this really cool tool that's been trending around on YouTube and TikTok. So if you guys want to see more of this content, let me know down in the comments. I will do more videos for you guys. Maybe you guys can let me know some things that you want me to try to generate for you, or maybe I do some live streams, and it can kind of be an interactive thing. But yeah, it's Crypto Ether. I'm out of here. Peace.